quick and easy apple cinnamon oatmeal in about 1 minute. Here we go. You want to take an apple, usually like a Honeycrisp, something like that, peel it, then cut it up into a small dice. The smaller, the quicker it'll cook. Take about 2 tablespoons of butter, real butter too, none of that margarine garbage. Put it in a saucepan over medium heat and start to melt the butter. Throw in your apples. You want to start to cook your apples so they get soft. Then add 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and half a cup of oats. The quick oats are fine, steel cut, whatever you want to use. Quick oats just cook faster. 1 cup of milk, pinch of salt, and about a teaspoon of vanilla. Stir it all up. Make sure you keep stirring so it doesn't stick. Add a heap of cinnamon. Stir it in again. Keep stirring. As it starts to cook, it'll thicken up and it'll look like this. Serve and enjoy. Your kids will love it.